Browse the New York Times online and its archives for free, with access provided by the Clovis Community College Library. To begin, go to the library webpage and select the Articles Research Databases link. Scroll down and select the New York Times online. It is important to note that first-time users must use the link provided by the library for initial registration to the New York Times online. If you are off campus, you will be asked to log in using your State Center credentials. Select the Create an Account link. Begin by entering an email address. You can register with a personal email if you wish. Then create a password. Answer the remaining questions to create your student or faculty account. The site will then display that your account has been created and will include the date when your access will expire. You may also have some optional account-related questions to answer before finalizing your account. Continue to the New York Times online. Near the top of the page, you will find the link to review or edit your account information. Navigate the New York Times online using the menu at the top left. This is where you'll find a link to the Times Machine, searchable online archives of the publication. Note that you do not need to create a new account each time you access this resource. After initial registration using the link provided by the library, you may then log in directly with your account information at nytimes.com or log in with their official apps. Existing account holders can still use the library link to read the New York Times online by selecting the Log In option on the page. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the library.